All right, let's be honest with each other. You've been there. We've all been there. You're standing in your kitchen, recipe open, probably splattered with something already. You read a step, nod confidently, then immediately read it again, and then maybe a third time, just to be absolutely sure. It's like our brains have a built-in "are you really sure" filter, specifically for cooking instructions, especially when it involves anything more complex than boiling water. And let's face it, even boiling water can feel like a high-stakes operation sometimes. Sometimes it feels like recipes are written in a secret code. Fold gently. What does gently even mean in a culinary context? Is it a whisper, a caress, or until just combined? Is that before or after it looks like a lumpy mess? The ambiguity is real. Then there are the recipes that assume you're a culinary genius with a pantry stocked like a five-star restaurant, a pinch of obscure spice found only in the Himalayas. Excuse me, I just wanted to make some cookies. But let's not just blame the recipe writers. We, the humble home cooks, are often our own worst enemies. One minute you're focused on the precise measurement of flour, the next you're wondering if you left the iron on, or scrolling through social media. Suddenly, you're back to square one, staring blankly at the page. Did I add the baking soda? Or was that just a fever dream? The kitchen becomes a time warp, where 5 minutes feels like 5 seconds, and your memory decides to take a vacation. Here's the thing. You weren't meant to read that recipe twice, but you will, and that's perfectly okay. It's part of the cooking journey, especially for new cooks. It's not a sign of incompetence. It's a sign of carefulness. Or maybe just a sign that you're human. Think of it as a built-in quality control system. Every reread is a chance to catch a forgotten ingredient or a missed step. It's your brain's way of saying, let's double-check before we accidentally create a culinary disaster. So next time you find yourself rereading Add a Cup of Milk for the 5th time, don't sweat it. Laugh it off. We've all been there, frantically searching for the butter we just put down. It's part of the charm of home cooking. Embrace the chaos, the confusion, and the inevitable rereads. Your kitchen is your laboratory, and sometimes experiments require a little extra scrutiny. Happy cooking, and may your recipes only require a few rereads.